Siyasolva by analysis and interpretation. Inhloso yethu kusuke ukuba ne-final answer lapho i-variable eyodwa kuphela ilingana na-something. For instance, x, hhayi 2x, 1x is equal to 5. Yeah. Nawa ama-steps esiwasebenzisayo 5. Uremove ama-brackets okokuqala, okwesibili bethe or subtract ama-like terms njengoba senza ama-expander ama-expressions. Bese kwi-step 3 uya-add-a noma uya-subtract-a ukuze zonke iy'namba zibe one side, kusale i-variable yodwa on the other side. Uma ine-coefficient i-variable seya-multiply-a-ke noma udivayida ku-left hand side no-right hand side by leyo coefficient. Bese ekugcineni ubhala i-final answer.